If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to use CrankWheel for internal meetings, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because we'll show you some game-changing features that can make your internal communication smoother and more productive than ever. Now, before we dive in, I want to mention that you can use CrankWheel completely free through the first link in the description below. And with that link, you'll get some exclusive bonuses, so definitely check it out if you're looking to get started with CrankWheel for your internal meetings. CrankWheel is all about simplifying screen sharing for teams, especially when you need quick, secure communication without the hassle of scheduling lengthy video calls or emails. Here's how to make the most of it for internal meetings. The first thing you'll want to do is install CrankWheel's browser extension. It's super simple, and once installed, you'll be able to start sharing your screen instantly during any internal meeting. No downloads or software setup are needed for your colleagues, just share a link and they're in. Next, let's talk about sharing your screen. CrankWheel allows you to share your screen without needing to have a complex setup. Simply click the CrankWheel extension, and you can choose to share your entire screen or just a specific window, depending on your needs. This is great for keeping the focus on just the presentation without distractions. Now, one of the most useful features for internal meetings is the ability to share sensitive data securely. Unlike traditional screen sharing tools, CrankWheel uses one-time access links, meaning your team only gets access when you give them the go-ahead, and there's no risk of them seeing anything after the meeting ends. This makes it perfect for discussing internal reports, strategies, and sensitive information. Next thing, CrankWheel allows you to annotate during your meeting. If you need to point something out during your presentation, simply click the annotation tool, and you can draw, highlight, or add text on your screen in real time. This is super helpful when you're discussing specific points, and it keeps everyone on the same page. The fourth thing you should know is that CrankWheel lets you track who's viewing your shared screen and for how long. This is especially helpful for internal team meetings where you want to know which members were engaged with the content and for how long. You can use these insights to improve your future meetings. Finally, CrankWheel integrates with several team communication tools, so you can use it alongside Slack, Microsoft Teams, or even Zoom. This allows you to quickly hop from a regular conversation to sharing your screen without missing a beat. And remember, you can use CrankWheel for internal meetings completely free through the first link below, and you'll also get our exclusive extended free trial. So there you have it. CrankWheel is a simple, efficient way to enhance your internal meetings, making them more secure, engaging, and productive. Don't forget to check out the link below to start using it for free with those exclusive bonuses.